Hello everyone, this is Tuesday. We're going to start off by writing our name again. Just make sure you practice so that you get better and better at writing it nicely and neatly. And it is April 28th, 2020. Okay, let's read the instructions. It says, make a 10 to solve. Use a math drawing to show what you did. Write the 10 plus fact. So it seems a lot similar to what we did with Monday's work, except this time it looks like we're using the number 8. And we've done this in class before. We now know that 8 and 2 will make the 10. So from the second add-in, we're going to take away the 2 to a part so that we can make the 8 a 10. So we're going to write 2 here, as you can see, and we're going to circle because this has now become a 10. We now know that 6 has lost 2, and so 2 and what will make a 6? And that would be 4. You can count on, be like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and see 4 fingers and write it. Or you just know that fact because we've done this so many times in class. If you see this, that's a 10, and then 4 more. So 1 10, 1 in the tens place, and then 4 more to make 14. Or we can draw our 10 frame box, and they want us to do all these steps so that you know how to do it in different ways. We draw 8 circles first. So you see the dark circles here, there's 8. This is a 10 frame box, so only 10 circles should be in here. We need to draw the 6 more. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We see a 10 automatically, we don't have to count. Then we see a 4 automatically, and we don't have to count that. 10 and 4 make 14, or 10 plus 4 equals 14. So let's try with this next problem. We're going to look at the first 2 problems, and we're going to work those 2 out together. We see that they already show us that we're going to make a 10 with the 8. We're using the 8 because it's a larger number, and it's closer to 10. It will be easier to make a 10. So we're going to look at the 5. We know that 8 and 2, just like the previous problem, will make a 10. We'll circle that so we know that's a 10. But if we take 2 from 5, we need to know how many more we have to make that 5. So how many do we have left over? We count on, or we know 2 and 3 make 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 fingers, and we write the number 3 there. We're also going to know that that's a 10, so we write 1 in the tens place, because we have 1 10, and then 3 in the ones place to make 13. Or you can count on 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, we're going to draw the circles. How many circles do we start with? You're right, 8, because it's the larger number. We're going to color those in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you know the drill. We won't fill up here because we want 2 rows of 5 to make it equally 10. 6, 7, 8. Then we have 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how much we have. We have 10 in the 10 frame, and we have 3 outside. 10 and 3 make 13. Good job. Let's try the next one. We're looking at this one, and we see actually, it's very similar to this problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a second video showing it the reverse way, where the add-ins are different, and see if we can solve that problem the same way we solved this one. I'll see you in the second video.